Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use the offset feature on Cricut Design Space for your stickers. Here I've uploaded an image that I created on Procreate on my iPad, and if I select it, I can go over to the offset feature on the top, and you can see we have some different options. The distance is the space around it, so this would be the white outline. And here you can choose a rounded corner or a sharp corner. So you can use this little thing to drag it, or you can type in a number. So let me try 0.1. You can see a little preview after you click out of the number. And this still looks a little too wide for me, so I'm gonna switch it to 0.075. And this looks good, so I'm gonna select apply. But now we can see that it's black. And if we turn off this layer really quick, you can see that it's gonna be a black outline. But since I want it to be white, I'm gonna select this layer and go up to the color on the top left and select white. So right now we have two layers and each layer is gonna be cut out separately. So that means the pictures that I uploaded and the white outlines are gonna be two different cuts. But since I want the cut to be just the white outline, I'm gonna select both layers and select flatten. I flatten it because I want the drawings that I made flat onto the white. If you do anything else, it's gonna cut out the two layers separately, and I want only that white outline layer to be cut. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, next I'm gonna select make it. Here's a preview of what my sticker paper is gonna look like after it's printed. Select continue, and we're going to send to printer. We're not going to add bleed since we already have that white outline. I'm going to use system dialog, and in preferences I'm going to select the print quality to high. For the base material, I'm going to select photo paper and I'm going to select more because I'm going to be making die cut stickers. Here's how these stickers turned out. As you can see, there's a white outline around my drawing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!